All right, first song on the guitar. Hey, hi, nobody nigh. And I picked this song, no pun intended, but I wish I had picked the pun on purpose, except I'm not using a pick. But I chose this song because it can be played with just one chord. So it's really good for the beginning guitar. So if you're a pianist, like I am, that's my main instrument, I've been playing that for longer than I've played guitar, then you know that on the piano, you number the fingers starting with the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, on the guitar, it's different. Thumb goes back here behind the guitar neck. This is the neck of the guitar. And to brace it. Okay. So we start numbering the fingers with the index finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when we're holding or with a strap wearing the guitar, we want the biggest string, which is also the lowest in pitch, to be on top, the closest to our heads. Okay? So we look at that second string right here. Oops. So here's the first, here's the second. That second string, we go to the second fret. These bars are called frets. We go to the second fret, and we put our second finger, that's the middle finger, right behind that fret. By behind, I mean up towards the head of the guitar. This is the head, this is the body. So right behind the fret, we push it down. We make sure we push it down enough to get a really clean sound with no muting or rattling. By the way, make sure your nails are nice and trimmed. Otherwise, long nails will get in the way of fretting. All right. So then, that third string. Second fret. First, second. Second fret, just right behind that fret with the ring finger. That's the fourth finger. Without fretting, they would sound like this. This guitar is already in tune. Now, if you don't have your guitar in tune yet, that's your first step. But as long as you've already got it in tune, and there are plenty of places on the internet to find out more about that. There we go. We fret those two strings on that second fret, just with the fingers being right behind it. And we just make sure that our fingers don't come in contact with any of the other strings. And we make sure we don't accidentally mute this down here with our palm or our arm. And that way we'll get a nice sound. And it's the E minor chord. So the song goes like this. And I'm just going to use a simple strum first. That just means just all the strings at once. Nothing or anything like that. Just so. Hey, hi, nobody nigh, meat nor drink nor money for to buy, yet will I be merry, very merry. Hey, hi, hi. Okay? So we could strum more often than that on that first part. Now I kind of went a little crazy towards the end there. We could go. Hey, hi, nobody nigh, meat nor drink nor money for to buy, yet will I be merry, very merry. Hey, hi, hi. That time I just strummed consistently throughout the whole song. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could I combine both of those? The first time, I think I did through the first part of the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when I got to Yet Will I Be Merry, then I started doing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But could we combine those? Could we do 1, 2, 3, 4? Or like I did the second time on the first part of the song, hey, hi, nobody nigh. And still do the eighth notes, the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And when we get to the yet will I be, sure we could. So then it would sound like this. Hey, hi, nobody nigh, meat nor drink nor money for to buy. Yet will I be merry, very merry. Hey, hi, hi. And when we get to that last hey, hi, hi, we could keep doing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or we could go hey, hi, hi. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. We could even go to, those are like quarter notes, if you're familiar with the different kinds of notes in music. 1, 2, 3, 4. We could even go to half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like hey, hi, hi. Just slowing down because it's the end of the song. We could do any of those ways, or many other ways. We could even just mix up different rhythms as we feel. Hey, hi, nobody nigh, meat nor drink nor money for to buy. Yet will I be merry, merry, merry. Hi, hi. Okay, I got the lyrics a little mixed up there. But if it's more comfortable for you at first to just 1, 2, 3, 4 half notes, or 1, 2, 3, 4, or eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and maybe even keeping that same one of those same rhythms all the way through, that's fine too. Or if you want to just go crazy and put in a lot of different rhythms, kind of like I did the last time. And by the way, that was the only time that I was doing down strums and up strums, just trying to make it simple. But if you feel ready to do down strums and up strums, you can even do those even if you're doing a simpler rhythm. Hey, hi, nobody nigh, meat nor drink nor. See, I started with quarter notes, but I was strumming down and up. I went to eighth notes, but I was still strumming down and up. Meat nor drink nor money for to buy. You could do down when you're doing just quarter notes. Hey, hi, nobody nigh. Then you could do down and back up when you get to eighth notes. Meat nor drink nor money for to buy. Of course, you don't need to do eighth notes there. You can wait until yet will I be merry, very merry, just like I did at the beginning. It doesn't matter. Whatever rhythm fits. And again, you're using the E minor chord. You're just putting the second finger, which is the middle, and the ring finger, called the third finger, on, or rather just behind the second fret. There's that second fret on the string here, this string, and then on this string. I'm not used to plucking them up there. I'm used to plucking them down here. Yeah. All right. And that's an old song. Though I've kind of updated the lyrics. But the reason I chose that song was because it's simple when it has just that one chord. All right. So that was, wow, 9 minutes long. Longer than I expected to go. But that was your first guitar song. Congratulations. All right. So check back soon for another with a little more variation in chording, like maybe one with 2 chords or 3 chords. All right, before we get into stuff with a lot of chords. Okay, great. And I hope you have a good day. Chris Murdoch of Revelation and Restoration Academy of Music and Drama, signing off.